Today is the biggest snow day that we've had so far in Colorado this winter. So naturally, I thought this is a great opportunity for us to drive down to Denver and capture some shots of some snow plows doing their thing. But I also have a guest here. NikoFilmz is back.
They weren't supposed to know.
He's alive and well, guys. He's not tied down somewhere in a basement.
At least not today.
We got our drones in the back here. Focus, you piece of shit, autofocus. We're gonna have a little snowy adventure. That's a proper snowstorm right there. We got our first victim. You can do it. Come on.
Oh, he's so scared.
Right.
Should we help him?
Carter's evil laugh. That's too small. That's more like it. There's one. Let's go after that one.
Can we turn left here?
Just do it. There's another one right there. Yes, those are the ones that I've been tracking.
We gotta wait till the light turns green.
There's a third one, bro. We are law-abiding citizens. We don't turn left on red. You're gonna get away from us if you don't step on the gas. I'm really glad I'm not driving, because if I was,
We'd be dead 10 minutes ago.
or arrested.
We haven't found any snowplows.
We lost that snow. Why are we chasing them? Let's have them come to us. So we found the best lit part of town that we could find, and we're gonna see if one of them is gonna come through here. Of course, the moment we stop, they drive by and we miss them.
I haven't done this in a long time.
We're just gonna do some formation stuff. Let's make sure our angles are set. There's a cop parked a block from us. We're just gonna send it. GoPro's recording, DVR is recording, GPS I don't have, doesn't really matter. Ready to launch?
Yeah. Do you see me?
I see you. And stay nice and low, because it's easier for me to find you. Oh, this is cool.
This is awesome. There's literally no one on the streets right now. It's gonna go above this car.
Not above it, to the side.
Oops. Oh, watch out, there's trees.
You motherfucker. Don't fly over cars, don't fly over people. It's hilarious. I did not want to land in the snow.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch myself.
Damn, it's really snowing now.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm taking off. Whoa, I'm getting blown sideways. There's like 4 drone shadows. I'm getting ready to turn around again.
All right, go for it.
Okay, taking a left.
Telemetry lost.
You still on me?
Telemetry recovered.
All right, dropping in.
Try to maintain a consistent altitude. Nice. Watch out for those wires.
Yeah.
That was good. We did it at the same time. Hell yeah. Here they are. He's turning left. This might actually work.
You're just gonna get set up for the next one?
Yeah. Dude, if we pull this off, this is gonna be wild. What the hell is that?
Wait, there's 2 of them. They're coming from.
Can you launch me?
Down there.
There's an SD Air. Are you
Ah,
fucking
shit.
kidding me?
Oh wait, they're turning the other way.
We have this perfect setup. We get an SD card Air and they turn on the wrong street. GoPro, start recording. Now it works. Great.
Oh, we were trying to find some snowplows to film. We can go from like a hover all the way up to about 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, we can.
We've flown all sorts of crap. They're pretty durable.
Pulling this thing to figure out. I'll call you guys back later.
Okay. All right, thanks, Kevin. Good luck.
Yep, you too.
Bye. He said there's a 70 car pileup on I-70.
Holy shit, dude, we should go film it. Well, let's get some formation stuff before he calls us back.
Word. Let's do it. Oh, my hands are cold.
We're gonna fly around this little mall. I mean, who's gonna be out here, right? It's not really mall weather. We scoped out this line, but we're not exactly sure that we have line of sight to the whole thing. We go through here, all the way down this wall. Yeah. We take a left, up the escalator, take a right, through the snowflakes, and drop down the middle of the street, and then we're gonna come back and fly through the street. I'm ready when you are. Okay, DVR is rolling.
Oh my god. What was that?
I totally crashed into you, bro.
Wait, that was you?
That was me. You think I can make it out of there? That'd be awesome, thank you.
Try arming real quick.
Okay, now I'm definitely down. Shit. If you could set that on the pothole, that'd be perfect, man.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Hey, one of your propellers is broke.
How much broken?
It's only got 2 on it.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
You have a good one, dude.
You too, buddy.
Look at this. Look at what you caused.
And who crashed
Look
into
at that.
me?
HQ Prop, can you please sponsor me? I go through like 5 sets a week. Don't go in the center of the walkway. Go a little bit closer to Victoria's Secret because I'm gonna be to the left of the center because I want to capture that pink glow of the bras and whatnot.
The cleavage glow.
That's what it is. Power test. Oh shit. All right, round 2. No more crashing this time.
Ready to launch?
Ready to launch.
Taking off in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm getting a low battery warning.
Actually,
I'm at 24 volts.
keep going. They show lower voltage. Taking it right. Go straight out here into the snowflakes.
Keep that speed.
Yeah, turning left into 70. You still on me?
I'm strong. There's a car there. What the fuck? Sick, dude. Dude, I can't feel my fingers. That was awesome. That was a sick formation sesh. Carter has work early in the morning, so we're trying to get back as soon as we can. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Show this video some love. Maybe it'll change Carter's mind and he'll come back and do more drone stuff. Appreciate you making it to the end. I'll see you in the next one.